Sony's been one of the biggest names in the television business for years now. While many factors have contributed to this, the primary is the company's ability to deliver some really good televisions year after year. In 2022, the company's come up with a new range of televisions, flaunting interesting spec sheets and big displays. We've had the entry-level model in the lineup, the X75K, with us for a while now, giving us a good chance to understand what it brings to the table. So let's get to the review of the Sony TV to find out if it's the TV for you. Sony's X75K series of TVs are available in multiple panel sizes, starting from 43-inch and going all the way up to 75-inch. Our review unit comes with a 55-inch direct LED panel and is powered by Sony's flagship 4K X1 processor. There's no local dimming on the panel though, with the TV offering frame dimming instead. While this does help improve the visual experience in some cases, there are also many scenarios, especially dark scenes, where the use of this technology dampens the visual experience a little. Apart from this, Sony's also equipped the X75K with proprietary tech such as 4K X Reality Pro, live color technology and dynamic contrast enhancer. All these technologies come together to create immersive visual experience that for most parts are fitting of a premium segment TV. While there is no support for Dolby Vision or even HDR10+, we did get good results playing HDR10 mastered content. However, there were a few things we noticed during our time with the television. When set to the cinema home profile and tasked to play HDR10 content, the X75K got plenty brightened scenes with enough light in them. Testing the panel using CalMan Ultimate paired with VideoForge Pro and SpectraCal C6 colorimeter, we found the panel peaking at 326 nits. And because of the use of the frame dimming technology, we also got a very good low luminance of 0.2 nits. But not all is great with the Sony X75K. The panel on this premium segment television did not handle some colors as we had expected, and scenes offering wide contrast in colors exposed how the TV fails to compete with more advanced OLED panel TVs, some of which are retailing at a similar price point as a Sony X75K. Talking about the handling of colors, we found the TV undersaturating hues of blue and red. This impacts the overall color accuracy of the content being played on the screen, something which is also corroborated by the results of the CalMan testing of the panel. In the color checker analysis, the Sony X75K threw up an average delta E of 6.8, with the maximum delta E going up to 10.6 at 0.8G, a shade of brown. While for the most part, you'd be hard pressed to figure out an inaccuracy in color reproduction. There are scenes where a washed out frame or poorly handled skin tone will expose the failings of the panel. But our biggest gripe with the Sony X75K's panel is that it does not do low light scenes very well. There is noticeable blooming in such scenes, which again leads to inaccurately represented skin tones and also loss of detail in the frame. The latter is in part because the X75K offers frame dimming instead of local dimming. Yet, the Sony X75K still manages to cover for these failings with its impressive core hardware, which ensures that for the average buyer, the TV performs as it should, providing a lag-free and mostly premium TV viewing experience for watching native 4K or even upscale 4K content. The build of the X75K is very similar to what we have seen on previous generation premium segment TVs from Sony. It offers two tabletop feet if you don't plan to mount the device on a wall. The placement of the ports is also standard. They are all on the right side of the TV facing outwards. We have two USB ports, optical audio out, 3 HDMI port and an Ethernet port. So for sound, there is a 2-speaker setup at the base of the device. This is a 20-watt open baffle speaker setup, which does offer good sound. While not the clearest, the loudest or the most bass heavy, the speakers on the TV do offer good performance for handling dialogues in a movie or playing music that is not too bass heavy. Talking about the remote of the Sony X75K, this is a premium piece of hardware which gives the TV an upmarket feel. Apart from basic controls, it also brings OTT hotkeys for Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube, along with playback controls. Overall, the remote is well built, functional and works really well. So on to the most important question, should you buy the Sony X75K? Well, it honestly depends on what you're looking for from your next smart TV. The X75K is a premium segment device, one that definitely looks the part. So if you are in the market for a TV that can elevate the look of your living room and because of its high brightness levels can handle a well-lit environment, then this could very well be the premium segment TV for you. It also offers good SDR and HDR performance for the most part, making it a decent option for consuming multimedia content on it. However, when it comes to the premium segment, decent is just not good enough. Because of its price tag, the Sony X75K is not a straightforward recommendation as it goes up against some really impressive TVs such as the Xiaomi OLED Vision and even the similarly priced Sony X80J. Both these TVs offer better color reproduction and handling of dark sequences. In fact, at this price point, you can also snag yourself the 55-inch variant of the A1, which is the entry-level OLED TV from LG. Much like the alternatives we mentioned above, even this TV from LG offers better picture quality than the Sony X75K. But then again, apart from the Xiaomi OLED Vision, the other two TVs are a year old and do not flaunt Sony's logo on the set, so choose your pick wisely. So, this was our review of the Sony X75K. If you liked this video, please remember to share our content with your friends and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.